Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the description, I am doing an unboxing. Look how pretty, from Lash LA. And I ordered this package I think like a week ago, so it came faster than I thought it would. But I love I like that duochrome or something like that on the box. The foiling on the box is really pretty. This is what the box looks like. So pretty. And this is my first time opening it. I only ordered one thing, so this is a super small unboxing, but I was just excited to try at least one of their products. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, okay, let me cover that up so that my information is not showing. Oh, look how pretty that is. So, I purchased the glue aid. Let me see if I can open this with one hand. Look at the inside of the box too, though. This box is really cute. I'm gonna find another use for it. Oh, I got the infamous glue aid. Packaging, again, still very pretty. And so as you can see, it's an adhesive cure solution. And what you do, from what I've seen on different YouTube videos, and excuse my nails, I need to clean them, but what you do is you swipe it across your lash strip, and if you are having issues with your glue that day, with the humidity or it being too dry or whatever, this is supposed to help cure your glue. And obviously that would aid in better retention. I don't know, I wonder what that's for. Well, it's probably a dropper. Let's see. Can I open it? I can't open it, but let's see. Can you?
Yeah. Can I say hi? Please? Hi.
Okay, open the... No, don't do that.
Okay.
Alright, we can't open it. But it is not a review video. It's just an unboxing. So we'll see how this little thing works. And this is the little packet that it came in. Mermaid prep tools. How cute. So I will keep you guys updated on how well the glue aid works and let you know if it's worth purchasing.